Con foto.
No, I'm recording. No, recording.
¿Les puedo grabar?
Okay.
Dice. ¿Les puedo grabar?
No, that's okay. So this is like a kind of traditional dress of here, and well, okay, you're dancing,
No, that.
uh,
I don't can dance.
but you're dancing. I saw you from there. You were all dancing.
Ah, bailen lo que estaban grabando. Dice.
¿Te pasa?
Dance.
Practiquen.
So this is one traditional. Okay, so but I want to show you something. Okay, I was just taking a long walk. I'm going to a mall to explore and to find out about another crypto exchange. Then I think they're going to dance. This is a university here. This is Abhinandan. This is one of our traditional dress of them. Okay. There's a reason why they put a cap. I'll tell you that. But my objective is something else. What I want to show you. Okay. Nice. You know Bollywood? Bollywood song? India songs?
No, I don't know.
Don't know? Okay. Anyhow, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, anyhow, I don't want to waste my time there. But see how this is some Christian organization. There at the end, how they give, no? They give a small slip like this. See how they give a small slip. And with that, a chocolate is tied up. See, they give a reward. In Colombia also, beggars, and tomorrow I want to go there, exhibition. Beggars and prostitutes, both will offer you a chocolate. But the Christians here, I just walked and came like that. Abhinandan on 8th November 2025. Okay, they are dancing over there at some university building, I think. And so there, a girl and a boy will be standing. They give one slip. I was surprised. I took his number. He's an engineering student. Okay. What is all this they are doing? This is one circle, one square, unlike San Francisco Plaza. That's another one. So today the president got elected, sworn in. It was somewhere that side. I did not go. I should have gone. Okay. So but see how they offer. Paper means people will throw away. But with the paper, with that Christian message, they give one chocolate. I am fascinated by all different kind of marketing systems what they people have in different places. Let me go there. And so this was the place I came from. Last time from this Coca-Cola building I walked this side. It goes to Sopagachi, if I'm correct in pronouncing. Sopagachi. Okay, where the Indian embassy is there. But I am going this side. Last time I went like this and I came like this. Then I found a mall. In that mall there was a crypto exchanger. So I found two places right now. One is there at that computer market. Okay, and one is here. But I think it is closing. By 6 o'clock they close off here. But anyhow I'll go, it's a mall. I thought I'll take a walk. And I did not go to the cemetery. I went near it and I came back. Okay. But I'm fascinated everywhere how see they give different kind. I made another video where you see thousands of shops but no business for them. I was thinking how I should strategize when after I finish have my business visa or something if I'm able to do business seminars like I've done in India, how to invite all these people for a free lunch. Here, nothing is free. Let me tell you, if you are listening, I've been to Coca-Cola building in Atlanta, the manufacturing facility over there, where the secret of Coca-Cola is kept inside. I paid $16 to enter, and I drank 100 varieties, 100 plus varieties of Coca-Cola of every country. But anyhow, now ultimately everything is marketing. See, they try to hook you like this. I can make it something more better. So I was thinking, here nothing is free. Toilet is not free. In Peru and here, toilet is not free. I think even in Colombia also. Nowhere you'll get a free toilet, and nowhere you'll get a free drinking water. Okay, nowhere. Even in my Airbnb, they have not kept free drinking water. I buy my water. Okay. But in America and India, as far as I know, maybe to some extent Malaysia, Indonesia, no. You can get everything free. When I say everything you can get free. Okay, I mean in USA, everything, either it is food or shelter or clothing or Medicare or anything. In India and USA, you can get everything free if you know where to ask and where to. But here, everywhere toilet is a business here. They keep toilet every building and it's a business. So anyhow, let me stop. I'm just walking further, and today is 8th. 9th one day is there. I want to see whether I'll go to that. It's a little bit far outskirt. Okay. So, see how nicely they have done steps like this. Yesterday I walked and came from the top, La Paz. I thought it would be a dirty, dangerous area. It was very, very neat. In India, either in Itanagar or Dimapur or Imphal or Kohima or Shillong or even in Guwahati also, in that mountainous area where houses are there next to Brahmaputra river. Okay, or everywhere I've seen it is dirty and government has not done anything. That time I've seen about 8 to 10 years ago. I don't know now. Here yesterday I walked, everywhere it is neat concrete like this. In those hill type, the poor area, very neat it is. I thought it would be very dirty and frightening, but it was very neat. Anyhow, I'll stop right now. If I'm talking, I can continue to keep talking. Because of I got this, I just wanted to record, and then I saw that pretty traditional ladies, okay, are not so pretty. Okay, so then I thought, let me make a recording with this particular story. So I'm just walking towards one mall, Taurus Mall, I think, Taurus Mall. So that there's one co-working place, and there was a crypto exchange. And you speak English? Who is this person? You don't know? Oh, the name is there. Okay. Oh, Amara, Ayamara. Ayamara. You're Ayamara? No? Okay. Ayamara people are there living in the top. El Alto. El Alto. Okay. I think there's a different race of people, indigenous peoples. So I'm just walking in one place, huh? Crazy time. So, Bolivia, because of inflation, is a little expensive. But when you're earning money in dollars, in digital US dollar, you know what? Since the road is empty, I'm talking, so I'm not afraid of any snatching of mobile. So since if you earn in USDT, okay, you will get double. See, in all this, just now I read Libya is facing a cash crisis. When countries are having hyperinflation, you should be making money in dollars and go to that country. You will get everything cheap because they need dollars. Everywhere in the street there will be dollar exchange people. That is grey market or black market. And they are all put by oil companies and all, because they have to pay for the US government, US companies in US dollar. So they put people on the street. They have no value for their money. So they give 2 times, 3 times, 4 times the real value of the dollars. If you don't understand, I am giving an example. If you listen so much and don't take action, I don't know. You're worse than a donkey in your thinking. I'm very blunt. You should know to ask intelligent questions, like Abhinandan. Okay. Now, I know I'm provoking. Now coming to the point, for in India, now $1 is about, let's imagine 90 rupees you have to buy. But if you're selling $1, you get 85 rupees. If you have one USDT or one physical US dollar. But instead of 85 rupees, let us imagine in the black market, in the store, outside in stores and all, you are not paid 85. You are not paid 170. You are paid 340 rupees. When the actual value of the dollar is actually 85 rupees, but you will get 340 rupees. That is what happens when a country does not have dollars. When a country does not have dollars and they are supposed to buy medicine, food or oil with dollars, okay, then what happens? There will be a demand for that. That is what I've read already. I read in Cuba, Argentina, okay, and even here also in Bolivia you get double. Instead of, for $1 it is 7 Bolivian currency, but instead of 7 you get 14. Now you are getting 12. In August it was 14. So while I'm walking, I'm just recording. I'm talking something useful. But for educated derelicts won't understand this and don't know how to ask the right questions. Okay. Now, am I coming to the right point? Oh, this is only tourist mall. Oh, I reached off. I only don't know. Let me go as I'm recording. I can record up to 20 minutes. Then I can upload it on YouTube. last tourist mall. Let me enter. Either I can enter from here to last tourist mall. So as I move on from one area to one area, the beauty of the females changes. Okay. So what I was saying is, this is the building. So down is a mall, top is a residential. Now so what I was saying is, so I want to travel, so you should earn money in digital US dollar. And once you earn money in digital US dollar, let's imagine you're earning about $2,000, $3,000 per month. And you can start with a minimum of $55 or $311 or $800 or $1,600. But you can start even with a minimum of $55. Okay, if you start with $55 and use this program, Global Earning Platform, you'll understand more detail when you ask me question. Don't come to your conclusion. Your conclusion will ruin your life. Your conclusion will ruin your life. Will make your life a mediocre. So when you travel to countries like Argentina, Bolivia, Cuba, Venezuela, Libya, Syria, and many other countries, you can live like a king. Literally like a super king. Okay, let me go down. I think it is closed already, but I want to talk to someone over there. So what and all trick they use, see? So I walked and came from so far, just by in 17 minutes. Oh, it's already closed. I see over there. But anyhow, still time is there for me. If not in Santa Cruz also I can exchange. Okay. So, contact and speak to Abhinandan. It's a co-working space here. Okay. Co-working. Is it closed already? You told 7 o'clock, no? Oh.